Now that the race season is over, most people would be thinking, well, not much is going on with all the race teams and with everything because, well, race season's over. And they'd be wrong. Even that the race season is over, we still have a lot going on here at the shop. We have 4 cars in here right now. We have our dragster, Mr. Boston's Altered, the little car, and way back there, that way, we have the big car. Now, over the off season, we are going through the trailer and going through everything we have to get it ready for 2023, because we want to make 2023 the best season that we have ever had. So before Dad and Heather left for Pomona, they found this cat and named her Sinclair. And we get back, and we could not find her anywhere. She was left in the shop and had free range, and we get back from getting lunch, and Marbles found the cat. Good job, Marbles. We're gonna wait till Dad gets back to surprise him with the kitty, because he's been really upset about her not being here. And everybody, meet Sinclair. Sinclair, meet the vlog. Sinclair, vlog. Vlog, Sinclair. Sinclair, vlog. So somebody showed up.
Hey, where the f*** were you at? Where'd you find her?
She walked in.
Come here. You silly little where you been? Hey, remember me? Come here. Come here, girlie. Come here. Where'd you find her?
She walked in while we were gone getting lunch. I walked in the shop and Marbles was like, hey, the cat's back.
Did you eat, little cat?
Yeah, she ate.
You're not allowed to leave again. Weirdo. Hey, look what I got. My cat came back.
Hello, kitty.
Kid's laughing at me.
Marbles and I went and got haircuts. We look less like dirtbags now, so that's absolutely a win. Now we're going to put the little car and Mr. Boston's car up in the air so that we can get the bottom end done on both cars before we take them out this weekend. We're going to XRP on Sunday to make a few more hits with the little car, and Dad's going to try and make 1 or 2 hits in Mr. Boston's little Altered. So the car isn't all the way together right now. Right now it's kind of dummied together, so we got to get this oil line off and drop the oil pan, and then we'll be able to drop mains 3 and 5 and just double check them before we take it out this weekend. Okay, it's dark under here, so I don't know if you're going to be able to see me, but we always drop 3 and 5 first when we're down here doing the bottom end, and that's because those are the 2 mains that have the most abuse on them. Take, for example, number 5. Number 5 has the clutch on it, so that's quite a bit of abuse, and then number 3 is just the middle one, so that'll take the most abuse.
Number 3 also has got the front to back movement, the crank float.
Oh, yeah.
Controls the crank float, your center main thrust.
So we're down here looking at the journal of 3 and 5 because when we pulled off the cap, Marbles didn't like the look of the bearing, and once he's done brake cleaning, you can get your finger up there and you can feel some stuff on the crank. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it on the video. You probably won't be able to, but basically with the runs we made on it, there's probably some stuff that went through the motor and it got caught up on the bearing. Am I explaining that correctly?
Yeah, I mean, it's a new motor, so there's always some stuff goes through it first run or 2, but normally the bearing gets affected the most and the crank still fine, but that seems to have shown up in the crank a bit.
Which is something that we don't want to happen, is what he's saying.
You can run it, but it's better to fix it when we have time.
Yeah, what he said. I'm just down here learning bottom end right now so that in the future I have the ability to do it.
3's fine.
This is the bearing from number 5, and if you'll notice that little copper line on it, that's normal. That's something that on a new motor, you're just going to have stuff go through it. And this bearing, you could go and run again. But it's all these other lines and scuffs and everything that Marbles is worried about that could, in the future, hurt the motor. It's fine to run, but while we're here at the shop and we have time to fix it, we're going to fix it before Sunday. That way we don't end up hurting the car. So a wee bit of an update. We've got the dragster all put together because we have some people coming to look at it because this car is for sale. They're going to come look at it on Monday. We got the body off of Mr. Boston's little altered, and hopefully we get to go run that tomorrow afternoon, which would be a lot of fun. The little car, we finished up the bottom end and all of that stuff, so it is good to go. We just got to pull it out of the trailer and torque the rods tomorrow. And then the funny car isn't going to have anything done to it for a few days. Marbles probably is going to end up pulling the motor out of it, and it's going to be gone through and get it ready for 2023. So lots going on. Soon we've got to load up that car and this car, put them in the trailer, and be ready to go for tomorrow. Also, it's rainy and cold and miserable. Ugh! I hate the cold! Actually, I prefer the cold over, like, blistering heat, but still, it sucks. Okay, so we just got back from dinner, and I am going downstairs to meet Marbles as we are going to record an episode of my new podcast, which you can check out and subscribe. Link in the description. I'm going to figure out how to get it on Spotify and Apple Music and all those special places, but this is going to be fun. Alright, we just finished filming the episode of my podcast with Mr. Marbles. Now we're going to go upstairs and watch a movie. Hopefully, fingers crossed, tomorrow we get to go to the track. It's looking a wee bit cold right now, so we'll see how that goes. But make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all those YouTube-y things, and I'll hopefully see you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Never give up.